Hey everybody, this is Tony J, and today I am going to be putting together this stool that I got from IKEA. It's right here. It's white. I wanted the black one, but they didn't have it, and they don't have them online, so that sucks. But the reason why I am building this stool is because I'm currently in my home studio, and there is limited amount of space to do full body shots. Like, I can't really do a full figure, and I have a 50mm lens, so it definitely wouldn't work out. So I chose this stool to do sitting full body shots, and I also have a apple box, which is right behind me. And yeah, so today I just wanted to put this together and show you guys some behind the scenes footage of how I get my props together. Later on I will be recording a video of me painting a backdrop. The one that's behind me is what I painted. It is polyboard, and I will show you a video of that too. So thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoy this video of me being silly and putting this stool together. Okay guys, so as you can see, I'm in this teeny tiny space, and I'm going to build this stool, and I'm super excited. Here is my apple box. I got the largest size. And when I have clients sit on it, they can either sit on this large side or like that. So it's actually 3 level. I'm excited. In case you're wondering what this cord is, it's my microphone.
Alright, so I have 8 screws. There's all the hardware here. 8 tall screws. I have the 2 legs right here. This should be easy. A lot of people say that IKEA furniture is hard to put together, but my whole bedroom is pretty much IKEA. I don't think it's that hard. Alright, so make sure I have all my stuff. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There's one set. 2 of these little screws. So I have this. Alright. Step 1. What is that? What is that? What? Hold up. 4. What is it? Alright. Oh, this! Alright, cool. So, this in here, and then
last step. It says that I need a screwdriver. When building this stool, make sure that you have a drill. There is the stool. Pretty much finished with it. I just have to drill that last part in, but yeah. So it's pretty sturdy. Thank you for watching my video. I struggled a little bit, but yeah. Just remember on that last part, if you're making this stool, have a drill with you because they don't have pre-cut holes for these little screws. So that was me building a stool for my studio, and I'm going to start taking pictures with it. So have a great day. Thanks for watching.